Hey there viewers, are you struggling with weight gain? Obesity is a huge problem worldwide. It's linked to heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. In today's video, we're going to discuss 11 leading causes of weight gain and obesity. How does modern marketing and the availability of food make you fat? Is there a hormonal response? What about the role of your genes? We're talking all this and more. Number 1. Modern marketing. Have you ever craved ice cream just because you saw an advertisement on television? Have you ever wanted coffee right after seeing a picture of it on social media? We're all struggling with these temptations. But all of these temptations drive your caloric intake. It definitely gets frustrating when you gain weight because of it. Fast food companies always prefer an aggressive type of marketing for their products. They can make you crave their unhealthy foods simply by showing you a picture. Their marketing strategies aren't just aggressive, but at times they are unethical. For example, they misled us by marketing their unhealthy products as healthy. The most shameless part about this is that they target teenagers and young children as their consumers. Due to the misleading information, young children gobble up these unhealthy junk foods. This makes them unhealthy, addicted, and above all, obese. What's your favorite junk food? Is there a specific place you like ordering from? Share your preferences with the Bestie community in the comments below. Number 2. Leptin resistance. Do you feel like you're starving all the time? Like you're constantly hungry? You just ate a big sandwich, within a half hour you're hungry again? This can be because of a specific hormone called leptin. Leptin hormone is not an obesity hormone, but one that makes you hungry. Somehow leptin doesn't work properly in obese people. It's unable to carry information to the brain. This particular condition is known as leptin resistance. As a result, you only gain more weight with each fatty meal. Number 3. Insulin resistance. Insulin is produced by your pancreas and maintains the circulation of nutrients in our blood. Its main function is to manage blood sugar levels and tell fat cells to store fat. It's been found that the Western diet produces resistance to insulin in obese and overweight people. This means insulin levels will be high and energy will be stored in fat cells instead of being available for use. This isn't something anyone should take lightly. In other words, cells don't answer to insulin correctly. This is insulin resistance. Experts have proven both high insulin and insulin resistance to be the cause of obesity. To correct the insulin levels, you must cut carbohydrates and add more fiber to your diet. Number 4. Your genes. People usually associate obesity with poor food choices. While this plays a massive part, there's more to it in many cases. Have you ever considered your genes? I wouldn't blame you if you haven't. It doesn't hurt to think your own DNA is doing a number on you. Obese parents are more likely to have obese children. Studies on identical twins have shown that genes do play a role in deciding whether or not you'll be obese. But don't make this an excuse. You still need to work towards getting yourself fit. Number 5. Your food addiction. Well, food addiction is real, especially sugar and fat addiction. These foods stimulate the reward part of your brain. Over time, you only become addicted to gross foods. This can be as challenging as other addictions like alcohol, nicotine, and cocaine. Just like other addictions, you lose the ability to control your desires and become emotionally dependent on high sugar and fat. Before we move ahead, here's a video you might like to watch. Check out 10 body changes that need your immediate attention. Number 6. Processed junk foods. We all love pizza, soda, burgers, and fries. Sometimes all together if we're really starving. No matter how delightful these processed foods taste, they're a big health threat at the end of the day. Processed junk foods contain refined ingredients and additives to make them last longer. But at the same time, it's the main cause of health problems like obesity, weight gain, and diabetes. Number 7. Certain medicines. Are you suffering from medical conditions like diabetes or depression? Unfortunately, medicines are here to help you get better. But one of their main side effects can be weight gain, especially medicines like antidepressants and antipsychotics. These medicines influence your metabolism and increase your appetite. If you're feeling you're putting on a lot of weight due to your meds, consult a doctor for an alternative. Number 8. Food is everywhere. One of the major causes of obesity and weight gain is the widespread availability of food. It's on every shelf at every store. Another problem is that not everyone is able to buy fresh vegetables and fruit. They cost more than cheap junk food. As a result, people with limited means are left with no option but to eat what's within their price range. Number 9. Misinformation. Having trouble losing weight despite your strict diet? The internet is full of misinformation. It's very important you rely on a trustworthy source to collect info, especially when it comes to your health. People around the globe are being misled on health and nutrition. Everything you read on Facebook and even health sites needs to be taken with a grain of salt. I mean, not literally though. What happens is these websites misinterpret scientific studies and collect outdated data to oversimplify the results on weight gain or fat loss. Sometimes food companies also misinform their consumers. They promote weight loss supplements that don't meet the promises made during their promotion. All of this misinformation contributes to your expanding waistline. Number 10. Sodas, ice cream, and other sugary stuff. Do you think you're eating healthy foods? Well, think again. Eating healthy foods means your diet should represent balanced meals. You should have all the nutrients from protein and carbs to fat and fiber. If your daily diet also includes sodas and ice cream, I have bad news. You're consuming way too much sugar. This brings on challenges to your health. When eating in excess, sugar changes the biochemistry of your body, making you obese. Natural sugar is not that harmful for you in comparison to added kinds. Added sugar is bad for your health because it's half glucose and half fructose. Glucose is found in natural foods like starches, but you get fructose mainly from added sugar. This causes insulin resistance and makes you gain weight. Fructose doesn't make you feel full either. Number 11. Hypothyroidism and Cushing's syndrome. Pre-existing health problems are also one of the main causes of obesity and weight gain. This includes things like hypothyroidism and Cushing's syndrome. Hypothyroidism is a condition in which your thyroid glands does not produce enough thyroid hormone. These are important because they regulate your metabolism and energy production in the body. Cushing's syndrome is due to the overproduction of cortisol by the adrenal glands. Its function is to convert proteins, carbohydrates, and fat into energy, while also maintaining blood sugar levels. The more cortisol level, the faster the metabolism will be, due to which there is an increase in appetite and weight gain. But this doesn't mean that you're bound to stay overweight. Losing weight isn't rocket science. You just need a mix of power and knowledge. You can in fact start your weight transformation journey right here, right now. Here's how. Watch 6 morning habits that cause unwanted weight gain. You can also try 14 habits that could be stopping you from losing weight. These 2 videos will help you get rid of the bad habits that cause weight gain, so go ahead and give them a watch. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have you been gaining weight recently? Let us know in the comments section below.